Kaluna.
Please start.
Oh, hello. I feel shy on camera.
Okay.
So
No.
what all Oriya dishes you have?
Well, I know there is Kaja, Jagannath Kaja.
Okay.
Then you have Kira Sagar, and then Bidi Pita. Bidi Pita is very nice.
Okay.
And Dalma,
Wow.
and the sweet rice of Jagannath.
Oh, okay.
Kanika. This is very beautiful. And especially Jagannath Puri vegetables are all deshi.
Oh.
No bideshi, no tomato, cauliflower, potato,
wow. That's
cucumber,
Yeah.
kuch nahi,
Okay.
only deshi.
Okay. So anything about Puri? You
Thing
stayed there,
about Puri,
right?
many things about Puri. Puri is such an amazing place, very historical, because King Indrajumna,
Yeah.
he is the Maharaj who established actually,
Okay.
with the help of his mantri Vidyapati.
Wow. That's great.
Yeah, the original deity actually was Madan Mohan.
Okay.
Vidyapati, he found the Madan Mohan, and then later on in the Leela, Madan Mohan wanted to show himself as Jagannath.
Okay.
Because Jagannath, he is in mood of Viraha from Radha.
Okay.
And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is in Viraha from Krishna. So in Puri, you have the Maha Milan.
Okay. So anything on
When
New Year?
Jagannath sees Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu sees Jagannath, there is Maha Milan.
Okay.
Because
So you
both,
know-
both are in separation.
Okay.
Two madmen meeting each other.
Okay. So you know Oriya, right?
Tiki tiki.
Okay. Anything?
Kemanti acho.
Wow.
Wari jive.
Oh.
Kona kaicho.
Wow. Thank you.
Yeah.